Swadijim Sinsin. In the next episode of Swadijim Sinsin, Tahir will become increasingly determined to discover why Fikret has repeatedly protected Irkan even when helping him placed Fikret's own power and reputation at risk. The secret DNA test will finally be completed, but Tahir will not receive the result directly. Before the envelope reaches him, East will discover that someone has been investigating Irkan's past, fearing that an old family secret could destroy everything he has built. East will order one of his trusted men to obtain the report. However, Fikret will learn about his interference and realize that the truth can no longer remain buried. Meanwhile, Irkan and Dekli will enjoy a brief moment of happiness in the village. After surviving so many threats, Dekli will believe that they can finally begin a peaceful married life. Irkan, however, will notice that Fikret keeps watching him from a distance with the concern of a father rather than the interest of an ordinary ally. When Irkan asks why Fikret came to the village, Fikret will avoid giving a direct answer and warn him that Farman is planning something dangerous. At the same time, Tahir will receive a mysterious telephone call informing him that the DNA report has been stolen. This will conceive him that his suspicions are correct. Instead of confronting Fikret immediately, Tahir will set the trap by announcing that he has kept another copy of the report. Asad will panic after hearing this information, while Fikret will prepare himself to reveal the truth before someone else twists it. The greatest shock will come when Irkan accidentally overhears Fikret arguing with East. During the confrontation, Fikret will say that he has already lost too many years with his son and will not allow East to control to Irkan's future. Irkan will enter the room just as these words are spoken. He will demand to know whose son Fikret is talking about. Fikret will be unable to continue, but his silence and emotional expression will tell Irkan more than any confession. Dekel will arrive a moment later and find Irkan staring at Fikret in disbelief. The next episode may end with Tahir opening a second sealed report and discovering that Fikret and Irkan are biologically related, while Irkan remains unaware that the answer he has sought for throughout his life is standing